Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we have another product review video, and today we have a FBINSE CarPlay AI box, which is used for wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and this is going to be used on my 2019 Toyota Camry because it does have wired, but this is supposed to convert it to wireless. And we're going to go ahead and open this up now. Android AI box. Comes with the wires so you can connect it to your vehicle. And this is the actual Android AI box right here. I call it Android AI box because I'm going to be using it on my Android, but this is also compatible with iPhones. We're going to go ahead and take this outside with the Toyota Camry so we can actually connect it to our head unit. And this is the wire that I'm going to be using. Here we are outside with our Toyota Camry, and we have our FBINSE AI box right here. We're going to go ahead and connect it to our USB port right here so we can see how this actually works. And here we are, we have it connected. I'm going to see if I can try to connect to this while I record off my phone. If not, then I'm going to have to grab a different camera so we can continue filming. And I just connected it and this screen just popped up by itself, so we're going to see what happens. And so after connecting it, automatically the screen will pop up. I'm going to go ahead and try to connect it to my phone so we can see if we can have some compatibility and we can try to display our Google Maps at least on here for now. After reading the instructions, the way you connect is you press auto kit, and then you're going to turn on your Bluetooth and you're going to look for T-Box Mini Basic. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So we're connecting right now. Alright, there you have it. We're connected. We have all the capabilities of Android Auto. This is actually pretty cool because my Camry is actually not compatible with Android Auto. It only has Apple CarPlay. So with this AI box, if you have a Camry like myself and you don't have Android Auto, you need to buy this now so you can have Android Auto on your Camry. And look, we even have Google Maps. And with this Android AI box from FBINSE, all you have to do is leave it connected and leave it tucked away. I did notice the phone does not connect automatically when you get into your vehicle, but to connect your phone is very simple. All you have to do is make sure your Bluetooth is on, start your vehicle, and wait for the loading screen to load. Basically, when you start your car, this screen will automatically connect to your FBINSE AI box, and then you just want to wait for the screen to load. And then once you're at this screen, you just press auto kit like we did before, and we're just going to wait for it to connect. There it is, connecting. And there you have it. Very simple and easy to connect, just like that. I will leave a link in the description down below to this FBINSE AI box. Make sure to check out their website at fbins.com. They have tons of products available, such as this AI box and aftermarket head units for different vehicles, such as the one in my 2007 Yukon. We're going to go ahead and peel this right here. And as always, folks, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, folks.